Ice House right there, you got one. And you got Home Alone coming up right here. Jump! Here we go again, point two, take two. You got Home Alone, hammer side, one far side. Charles, what do you think?
He killed Ronald bad. That was about maybe 15 plus bikes right there. Woo! Home Alone left vicious out the hole.
Oh.
Damn. That shit. He flew, dog. Damn, he left hard.
Damn, I want to see.
Once I see him leave like that, that's it. You know, ain't no coming back when you get left like that.
Oh, nah.
He nailed him out the hole. Damn. The bike just turned on so quick. But remember, it was something like I just said. What I just say? What I say Bird's bike was going to do?
Whoop his ass by 10 plus bikes and take off.
Off the line, it was going to jump out bad.
He just said that every time Ronald Benson is trying, he always loses.
Yeah,
Let's see what Ivan here. Here comes. Let's see what Ivan says. Let's see the walking stick right here.
How many bikes, Ivan?
How many?
About 20.
20 bikes.
Yeah. Off the line.
Off the line.
I told you what was going to happen?
Damn. Woo. I recorded it, but I can't see shit.
Damn. Bad, man. My money good. It's $1,000 bet.
Well, what was going on? What was going on right here?
Woo, woo, woo! Is this a bet for $1,000?
You got it?
What is it? What is it?
$1,000 bet. This $1,000 bet.
What was that? What's that for?
Same race.
Same race?
$1,000. Same race. $1,000.
Woo.
It's a bet.
Serious? Hey,
What you got to say about that?
Me $1,000 for this Saturday.
I told Ice House I wasn't doing no playing this
You
time.
just bet me $1,000 for this Saturday. You want another $1,000 on that? It's easy money. Get paid.
Let me see. Let me put that in the camera real quick.
Yeah.
Show them what you guys won.
What was that? That was like 7 seconds? What? 507 seconds or 4? Damn. That was a kilo on that note. You got a smoke killer. When are you ready?
I told Ice House it's Eastside Racing back on the motherfucking map, nigga.
We gotta say it.
Nigga, number one.
Damn.
It's Eastside Racing.
Hey, that's all I'm doing right here, man.
Nigga.
That's all I'm doing right
Prime time.
here.
Let's see. Prime time. What you
That's all
got?
I'm doing right here. I'm playing with Ronald money right here, man. I'm playing with Ronald money right here. That's all Ronald money right there.
Hey, all that video, make sure you post that.
Oh, well, I'll post it up.
Hey,
Make sure you post it.
I'll post it up.
Post it right now. It's only take about 30 seconds.
Hey, Ice House ain't worried about it. Make sure you post that video.
Post that my
Make sure you post that video.
Who got my cup?
Yeah, make sure you post that.
Oh, well, I'll post it up tonight. I'll post it up tonight. What was that? What was that?
Everybody will keep it up.
Moving so fast, I won't even have on a whole suit.
Hey, I damn near need it, Rick.
We've been running all weekend.
We've been running
all weekend. That's right.
We're gonna take this win.
Come on, Sandbag, you cheated.
Who got my cup?
We're going to take this win and get this money going. Eastside Racing, #1 for life.